So a lot of you guys have actually been asking me how to create your own trading website, just like Binance, your own cryptocurrency investment and trading website, just like Binance, such that you have the spot feature, the P2P feature, and the binary feature. So I successfully find something that could actually help you, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create such website. I'm going to teach you how to create a website like Binance, where you can do your P2P trading, your sports trading, and your binary trading. So this video is going to explain detailedly how you can do that and link your API to either Coinbase or TradingView or whatever, so that you can get your TradingView. Now here is a typical example of something that you will get in this video. So as you can see, you have your trading pairs, both crypto, fiat, everything is here. And now if you come to market, your users actually see market overview, top exchange coin, this as of today, USDT, highlighted coin and new coin. You also see the trading views and the market capital. As you can see, this is 1 billion this is USD. So now they can trade sports, trade P2P, and trade binary, and they can also see cryptocurrency charts as of today of who is losing and who is gaining today. Now if they also create an account, so let's log in, let me show you. So if they also create an account here, they could log in with email, Facebook, or even continue with MetaMask to create an account on your platform. So let's quickly do this. Let's just use this 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let me show you how it works. So log in. Sorry, I've not created an account, so let's go create an account. Sign up. So this is the same process your user is going to follow. So let's do this 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'm not a robot and I agree. So the user, they will feed their details, and then just like Binance, they complete their information. So let's do still address. Let me just put this. So submit. Now here is how their dashboard looks, as you can see. Now here's your trade history, here's your manage order, here's your binary trade, your P2P center, your manage wallet. Now they could do a lot right here, as you can see. They could trade, so you could have your own trading platform. They could even affiliate transaction history, security. Now you could have your own trading platform from the comfort of your home. As you can see, from the comfort of your home, you could have your own trading platform. So if you set this website now, you're going to see everybody that is actually trading, running trade. So anybody that wants to trade, what the trade will actually pair up from this area. So you can manage your wallet from here, and you could see your deposit history here. From there on, you can see your withdrawal history, how much have you withdrawn. You can see the number of people you have actually referred to the website by copying your affiliate referral link on the platform. Now you could trade binary, you could do normal trade. As you can see, you just have to come and start your trading, as you see. So it has everything on TradingView. So I'm going to show you how to set up this. So you have a platform like this, like Binance. So you can buy at whatever rate you want to buy. You could use 100% of your capital, or you could use 50%, and you could buy, you could sell at a higher price. Now with that being said, let's go back to the dashboard. You can also do binary trade similar. So you can trade binary, as you can see. You can trade higher, you can trade lower, as you can see. So it actually going well. So the users can do this on their own. Yes, they can do this on their own, as you can see. So they can do this on their own. So they could also manage their wallet. Let's assume they are using tons. They could manage their wallet, as you can see. So they could deposit with tons. So you can add as much currency as you want, as you can see, so that your users can actually have variety. Some people love USDT, some people love Solana, so they come to their Solana wallet, just come here, they could deposit, and then they could deposit. So this is because we've not set any payment gateway. So if you set it in the admin, so they could deposit here, or they could withdraw, or they could transfer. So with that, we can have a fully automated trading platform, just like Binance, and from the comfort of our home. Now this is reading live, as you can see, it's reading live. So if you are actually making money, you can actually, if you're actually trading and you have this platform, your users can sit and actually trade, and then you make your profit, they make their profit. So that is how it works. So let's get started on how to create this kind of website. All right, so in getting started, one strong hosting I recommend is Azura hosting. And this hosting, I've actually started using them last year, and I've gotten to like their platform. First of all, because their email does not go to spam. Secondly, they don't just suspend your website unnecessarily. They contact you and ask you questions, and actually you talk with them first. Thirdly, their server are not always down. I have not experienced server downtime here. As you can see, they said it's 99% server uptime, and I've never experienced server downtime since last year I started using them. Now their NVMe storage is actually faster than the normal SSD storage, which most of these other web hosting have. They give you free SSL, free domain registration, that's if you purchase certain hosting, and their speed is actually something I recommend. So their server is actually fast, and so I recommend them. So let's get started now. Before we begin this tutorial, please know that I already have a domain name I want to use for this tutorial. I have a domain name and the web hosting. So I'm just going to show you the process of how to buy your own domain name and your own web hosting, so that you can do that yourself. Now there's a link in the description to visit Azura hosting. Now when you click on that link, you'll be given 10% off by using my own link. The link is customized to V3 design, so you'll be given 10% off. So if you click on the link, now you'll be taken to this page. All you have to do is to search for your domain name. So let's assume my crypto platform, let's say it's Jack, okay, let's say Control, let's say control.com. so this is what I want to use for my crypto platform. I could click on register, and what it will do, it will check if the domain name is actually available. As you can see, the domain name is available, as you can see. Now the next thing I want to do is to add it to carts. Click on add to cart, and then come to hosting. Now there is hosting on this side, right? Now this hosting, as you can see, the first one is a direct admin hosting. Now if you have ever used Hostinger before, the account they have a direct admin account, and that account is what they utilize for their platform. But I wouldn't recommend you taking that. I would prefer you go with cPanel because cPanel are actually better for me, and I prefer you take the cheapest plan right now. This plan, as you can see, if you take this plan, it will be cheap, so that you start at a scalable. How do I put it down? You start scalable, and when your platform start growing bigger, you scale it to this plan. So you start from here. As you can see, this is 22,000 naira plus your domain name of 19,000 naira. So you are looking around let's say 40 something thousand, and then you're good. So all you just have to do is to click on order now, and then both of them will be in your cart, and then you can use your existing domain shopping cart, which is this. You click on use, and then you see everything here. So all you have to do now is to continue, and then make your payment. It's very simple. You continue and make your payment. So now I'm going to log into my account. I already have my account. I'm going to log in and show you how the next step. So after you make payment, you'll be given your hosting details. So it's the hosting details that you're going to use. So it's going to be something like your website. So let's say control.com/hosting cPanel is how to access your cPanel. So you'll be given something like this, and then you click on it and you access your cPanel. So now let me log in my cPanel and show you how it looks like. Alright, so this is how a cPanel look like, and you have a lot of features on this panel. As you can see, you have a lot of features on this panel, a lot of things you can do here. So in your spare time, you could go over them, or I have a YouTube video called cPanel Mastery. You could just go to my YouTube channel, VTG Design, and search for cPanel Mastery, and then you learn everything inside here. But right now, I'm not going to teach everything inside here, so I just want to show you what is necessary to build your Binance like website. So now I'm going to click on File Manager and open it in a new tab, and I'm going to select the domain I want. Now for you do not have luxury to use all these domains, so I'm going to delete this. Let me delete this. So you do not have the luxury to you do this right now because you have just one domain, and it's going to be on your public underscore HTML. So but for mine now, I'm not using that, I'm just using this one. Remember when we wanted to purchase a hosting, they told us that you could use multiple domains. I don't know if you guys read it, so that is one thing I'm having. But for yours, everything I'm doing here, you will do it in public underscore HTML. Inside here, you do it here. For me, I'm using this tutorials.com. I added the domain to this hosting account. Remember, upload your files in public underscore HTML if you are following my process. Upload it on public underscore HTML. So I'm going to click on upload. I already have the file. There's a link in the description to download the file. So I'm going to copy the file right now. So this is the file. I'm going to paste it here, and it's going to upload on my server. Okay, so your file will actually be uploaded. You click on back and it will take you back to your file manager. Now you extract. So once you extract, you click on close and then you open the file. This is where the main file is. Now, so whatever one you want to do is up to you. So I'm going to move this. So I'm going to click on move to the main folder. Now you move it to the public underscore HTML to now be inside the main folder. That is, you move it. So you see it's here. This is the one I extracted from here, but I moved them here. Now it's not time to install. So this is the install folder. Here you have to make the install. You can install it manually by downloading the database and then going to the call and doing your installation from your .exe file, or you can install it. Go to your website /install. So this is the second way. So /install. So this is what it shows, as you can see. So the next thing you do is to click on I agree. Next step. Now first of all, your PHP version is 8.1. PHP version 8.1 is required. Your current PHP version is 7.4. Now the next thing is they want you to change this requirement to 0775 instead of 0755. Now funny enough, this is easy. So what you just have to do, look for the folder, call bootstrap cache, caches, storage out, storage framework, storage log. So to make it easy, just go to your core bootstrap. This is where you want to change. As you can see, it's very easy. So go down to storage. So I want to change the first one, then you open the storage. So logs, framework, and app. So they said logs, framework, and app, storage, create. So now it's to change it to PHP version 8.1. So you have to do is to come to your cPanel again, search for PHP, and click on this select PHP version. Now, mind you, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. As I told you guys, I have a target to hit 3k subscriber before the month of February. So right now we're at about 2 point something. So I need you guys to actually hit the subscribe button. I'll be grateful for that. And for those of you that keep saying that I have not started resuming WordPress tutorial, I'm trying to see how best I could make a course, and then I'm going to make the course free for the first 100 people, so that they can take full course on WordPress, so that they can learn how to use WordPress. So right now I'm working on the course. That is why I don't have enough time to do WordPress tutorial. So this one, I hope this one has been able to help you guys. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as it will mean a lot to me. So now back to the tutorial. This is the PHP selector. You click on it and then you look for PHP version. According to the platform, I said PHP version 8.1. So let me go for PHP version 8.1. So I'm going to apply the PHP version 8.1 now. Now we'll come back and then we refresh, check. Now we've met all requirements. Click on next step. Now you want to let your website name to be here, and you want to create a database for it. So let's go back to our cPanel. Now search for database. So there is manage my database and database wizard. Always use database wizard. So now type in anything you want to call it, anything at all. So let's do TTT. This is okay. So next step, TTT. Now I always prefer to use this as my password, just this, so that I don't always forget it. So I'm going to use it here. I'm going to use it here again. As you can see, I'm going to click create users. Now the next thing, I'm going to give the user all privilege, and I'm going to make change, and that's all. So we'll come back here. Database name, this is what we just copied. Remember, database user still the same thing, database password still the same thing. Now for database host, you want to use local host. Local host is what you want to use, as it is what is required. Now admin username, I always call it admin, and call this admin as well, so that it will be easier. Password, email, give it any email, and then you click on install now. That's all. So your system has been installed, valid license. Please delete the install folder from the server. So go to your file manager. So this is the install folder. You want to delete it totally. Now we have done that. So go and activate your site. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. Alright, we have our website. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to mean a lot to me. So as you can see, we have our website. Now, as you can see, this is our website. So let's go to the admin. So you go to your website /admin. Enter. Remember what we used before? Admin. Then you log in. Now, the first thing you want to do is to move your cron job and set up your cron job. So this is your cron job. You want to set it up by clicking on copy. Go to your data, your cPanel again. Look for cron jobs. Click on it. Now this cron job will make you any money your users deposit. It make their profit increasing and all that. So on the cron job, you want to click this, and once per 5 minutes, that's what you want to do, and it will automatically set the rest. And then you paste this here, and then click on add new cron. So when you click on add new cron, this is how it will look to start rate counting. So I don't want to do this. This is just a tutorial purpose, so I don't want to do it. So I'm going to cancel this. So this is how the account is. So this is where P2P people trade. As you can see, this is where you can add ads to your platform, like all these Google ads, any of those ads, to still make money as well. This is where orders actually are. This is currency, to add cryptocurrency. This is to credit users, to check users' accounts, verify user KYC and all the others. This is payment gateway, setting automatic payment or manual payment. Now for the automatic payment, we have a lot of payment gateway here: Authorize.net, BTCP, Blockchain, Cashmate, Checkout, Coinbase Commerce, CoinGate, Coin Payments, CoinFiat. There are a lot of payment gateway. Even Flutterwave is available here. So you see, we have a lot of payment gateway. PayPal is here, PayPal is here, Paystack, Paytm, Perfect Money, and others. They are actually here. Now let me take a screenshot of this for those people that always ask what payment gateway is required. So this is on. Go back, and for the manual gateway, you can just add a manual gateway. Just add your gateway name. If you want to add USDT, call the USDT, use NGN or US dollar, the amount, the fixed charge, and then you put your wallet address here that they'll paste it. So apart from that, you can see the withdrawals people request. You can see the deposit people deposited. If somebody have an issue in the website, you can see the support ticket and all that. Now the main important thing of this site is this part. Now this is the most important part of this site. So let's start from the general settings now. Now this is where you can name your website whatever you want to call your website. Give your time zone, select your currency and your symbol. Now this part is quite easy. Cron job is the next. We have done that right now, so we did that before. So system configuration. Now this is, do you want users to be able to register on the site? Enable force SSL. Yes, you want your website to be always secure. Agree policy, that policy that pop up that I have to click as allowed. So I want to disable it. Force secure password. You want people to always use a password that is very secure. You can force it. KYC verification, you can turn it on. Email verification, you can turn it off. Now you should be very careful what you turn on here. Mobile verification, SMS verification, so that your user don't always message you and complain as regarding issue. Now push notification. So if you want to add a push notification such that if somebody visits your website, you go to your website and you see all those information that will pop up on top of the website, so you can add it from here using push app key and push app secret and push app cluster. Now the next thing is chat setting. So this currently is using TradingView. As you can see, it's using TradingView, so you don't have to set it anymore. As you can see, it's using TradingView, you don't have to set anything more. Charge setting. So how much do you want to use for transfer charge? Then P2P trade, how much charges do you want to get? Wallet settings, you want to be able to deposit funds, you see. So everything here is done for your benefit, so you can do that. Now social credentials, you want people to be able to log in Facebook, Google and LinkedIn. You can just configure it from here. I'll just check how to configure it. It's quite easy. So you put your Google callback URL here, put your client secret key and client ID from Google, and then you get it here. Now currency data provider. So as you can see, you are using CoinMarketCap and crypto. So these are the two that are actually enabled on this side. So you don't just have to use to configure it. Put your API key and your account. So once you put your API key right now, you notice let's open this side again. It is on the demo. What I showed you in the demo. If you click on trade, click on market, you see this trade here. Now the reason the trade is not here is because you have not add your API key for CoinMarketCap. So all you just have to do is to go to CoinMarketCap and create an account with them. So CoinMarketCap. So you create an account, and when you click on your account on this side, if you click on your account, you see your API. So they'll be giving you your API, and then you copy your API key and put here. As you can see, so that is very easy. You don't need any tutorial for that. Logo alphabetical. You want to be able to change this logo to what logo you designed for your brand. Now you also have the language settings and the extensions. So extensions, you want to add custom capture, Facebook comment, Google Analytics, top pro live chat. Now we also have language SEO manager. Now SEO is very important, so let's go through it. So this SEO is what makes your site show up on Google. So SEO is very important to your site. So what you want to do is to put your main image here. Leave all this apart from this, remove Binance. So these ones are okay. So put the name of your platform. Rename this what it will be shown on social media, and name the description. So that is that. Now you also have, you can put your site on maintenance mode. You can manage pages, manage teams, and also say, okay, right now we just have one single team on the platform. You can manage each pages, each section of each pages, and then you can see your KYC setting and also do notification setting. So KYC setting is what you need for your KYC. So I think that's enough to explain how to build a Binance related website. So I hope you guys have actually gotten the idea of how to build it. So thanks. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next tutorial, guys. So bye for now.